iRobot Roomba i7 Plus specs and features. Navigation. Mapping or path planning, yes. Mapping sensor type, camera, odometry. High precision map, yes. Objects recognition, front camera no. Magnetic or optical virtual walls, yes. Barrier cross height, 20 mm or 0.79 in. Cleaning area, 185 or 1,991 square feet. Anti-drop or cliff sensor, yes. Cleaning features. Suction power, 1,800 Pa. Dustbin capacity, 400 ml or 13.53 ounces. Automatic dirt disposal, yes. Disposable dust bag capacity, 1 L. HEPA filter, yes. Washable filter, no. Side brushes, 1 or 2 1. Carpet boost, no. Dirt sensor, yes. Full dustbin sensor, yes. Mopping features. Wet mopping, no. Electric water flow control, not applicable. Water tank capacity, not applicable. Vibrating mopping pad, no. Automatic mop lifting, no. Auto water tank filling, no. Auto mop washing, not applicable. Battery. Battery capacity, 1,800 mAh. Battery life, 75 minutes. Recharge and resume, yes. Charging time, 120 minutes. Auto Cali docks and recharges, yes. Rated power, watts not applicable. Usability and control. Wi-Fi or smartphone app, yes. Scheduling, yes. IR/RF remote control, no. Wi-Fi frequency band, 2.4 or 5 GHz. Amazon Alexa support, yes. Google Assistant support, yes. Display, no. Voice prompts, yes. Noise level, 68 dB. App features. Real-time tracking, no. Digital blocked areas, yes. Zoned cleaning, yes. Multi-floor maps, yes. Manual movement control, yes. Selected room cleaning, yes. No mop zones, not applicable. Other specifications. Weight, 3.3 kilograms or 7.28 pounds. Width, 33.8 centimeters or 13.31 in. Height, 9.2 centimeters or 3.62 in. In the box, clean base automatic dirt disposal, 2 dirt disposal bags, North American line cord, dual mode virtual wall barrier, extra high efficiency filter, the extra side brush. Release date, September 2018. Warranty, 12 months.